Hello! I'm Cotton, the chef dog. Today we are going to make a delicious dessert that originated in Spain, but since we have Spanish ancestry here in Latin America, it has become typical in several of our countries, including Venezuela. It's the alfajor, a very soft cookie that crumbles in your mouth when you bite it and is usually filled with Arequipe and rolled in coconut on the edges. It's a delight. So, let's get to work and start with the ingredients we need. 150 grams of cornstarch, 100 grams of butter or margarine, 100 grams of wheat flour, 80 grams of sugar, 2 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, grated coconut, Arequipe. I'll leave the ingredients in the description so you can make it. Alright, with the ingredients ready, let's start preparing the alfajores. First, we put the butter and sugar in a mixing bowl and beat them with a mixer until creamy. Next, we add the egg yolks and beat again until it becomes even creamier. Finally, we add the cornstarch, wheat flour, and baking powder. Mix everything with a spatula and then with your paws. The result will be a somewhat firm dough. With a rolling pin, we start flattening it until it has a thickness of about 8 mm to 1 cm. Then, with a round mold of about 5 cm, we start cutting our alfajores. With the leftover dough, we flatten it again and repeat the process. I got 24 pieces. With the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, we bake the alfajores for about 8 minutes. Each top is ready and looks very nice. I wish you could smell my kitchen right now. The recipe is almost done. We just need to take a top, put Arequipe or dulce de leche on it, cover it with another top, and put some more Arequipe on the edges to then roll it in grated coconut. Now, look at this delight. Here are the 12 alfajores from the recipe. I'm only going to taste a little bit because sweets aren't very good for us dogs. But every chef must try their creations. Here we go. Delicious! It's a very tasty sweet. Go ahead and make them too and enjoy them with hot chocolate. We are done for today. Thank you for joining me. See you in the next recipe. If you liked this video, give me a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipes. I'm Cotton, the chef dog.